guys, today I am so excited. Today I want to be announcing, I want to be showing you guys how much YouTube actually paid me for 1k view. Yeah, in my short video. Yeah, the one I've been showing before is my long form. I've actually not done this before, so I feel super excited. And let me tell you guys something, I've actually not checked the revenue, so I don't know how much is there. I'm also in that suspense level. I want us to check it together. So the way you guys are in suspense, I'm also in suspense. Like, I really can't wait to see how much YouTube actually pay for 1k view for shorts. Yes guys, so follow me, let's dive in. And in case if you're thinking, okay, I want to start a YouTube channel and I want to focus more on shorts, so maybe after watching this my video you can say, okay, yes, I really want to go into that shorts. Or maybe you say, or more these shorts, I can't go into it, the revenue is too small. You can either say it is too big, it is too small, or it is okay, depending on the level you are. You know what, let's not talk too much, let's just dive in, let's just see. I'm super excited. I want to see how much is there. I want to see my millions. I want to see my millions. Follow me guys. Shot we're actually working with is this shot. It will be Obio as Little Bride. So let's not waste time. So as you can see, the video performance in the first 58 days, 10 hours, ranking by views 1 of 10, meaning this video is actually doing well for you to still be ranking 1 of 10 after 58 days. Views 4.7k. As you can see, the green arrow, which signifies that yes, this video is doing well. Once the arrow is down, it means the video is no longer doing well. So average percentage views 131.1%, which is very good. The likes 117 likes, which is also good. As you can see, everything is actually going well. So let me click on it. Let's just see how much I've made. So this is the overview. The short has gotten 4,743 views since it was published, as you can see right here. And it was published 58 days ago. In real time, meaning in the past 48 hours, it has gotten extra 13 views. Yeah, so let me see the reach. So YouTube has actually shown it to 6.9k people. Like, it has shown up in the feed section 6.9k times. Yeah, it doesn't mean it has been shown to 6.9k people, but it just means that it has been shown up to 6.9k times, because it can show to one person more than 5 times. Yeah, so I really hope you guys understand. So as you can see, how many people chose to view? 68.7% viewed, 31.3% swiped away. How viewers found this video? Short feeds, yeah, obviously, because it's a short. YouTube search 15%, hashtag pages. You see why you guys should not joke with your hashtag. Hashtag really bring you out. Some people used to say no need to put hashtag in your video. See, hashtag works. As you can see, it also helps in the search, even though it is small. Even though it is 4.5%, at least it is something. So just add hashtags. Yeah. External site, I don't share I hardly share my videos on social media, maybe on WhatsApp. I hardly share. Yeah, except on rare occasions. Yeah. YouTube search terms, what people search for that actually brought this video to them. It will be Obio's wedding and all. So blah 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 blah. Playlist featuring these shorts. This playlist is actually my playlist. Yeah, so engagement, let's see the engagement. I really want to be done with this. I don't want this video to be too long. Yeah, so the watch time is actually 15.5. I got 15.5 watch time. Audience retention, as you can see, likes versus dislikes. Yeah, as you can see. So let's just go to the audience real quick. So I have returning viewers of 148, as you can see, looking at the graph. Yup. I have, let me scroll, unique viewers, 4.6k unique viewers. And this shot actually gave me 23 subscribers. Yeah, I don't know, people actually love this shot. Like, I'm just even discovering this. Oh my god. So, and by the way guys, I've actually not checked this revenue. I just want to record it and also discover it myself. Like, I've not checked before doing this video. I'm like, okay, let me just see it. So I don't know what to expect to. I'm also as anxious as you guys. So device type, what they used to watch it, they use mobile TV. All those ones are actually looking. The age, people that actually watch this short, 13 to 17 did not watch it, probably because I chose it's not meant for kids. So 13 to 17 are actually regarded as kids. So it started from 18 to the rest of the years they actually watched it, but more of 25 to 34. Yeah, I think most of the people that watch my video, they are more of 25 to 34, 35 to 44, like, I'm like within that range. Yeah, so gender, the female gender watched it more. Yeah, top geographies: Nigeria, United States, Ghana. Yeah, and subtitle, watch time from subscribers, people that are not subscribed. Imagine 99.2% of people that watch this did not subscribe to my channel. Only is 0.8% are subscribers. Wow. So guys, let's now go to the reveal, the big reveal, why we are all here. Ta-da! I'm also going to be shocked. Let me even see. Okay, revenue. Ta-da! As you can see, I got 0.35 cents. Imagine, for a view of 4,000. What's this thing again? Let me confirm it. 4,743k views. I got 0.35 cents. Oh my god. Can you guys imagine? See, short performance, how much they pay per 1k view. YouTube is paying per every 1k view 0.07. Like, you guys should, I was so shocked seeing this amount. So for every 1k view I get 0.07. I feel like this amount is too small. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this pay. Do you think it's actually cool? It's okay? Because there are some people that actually just want to do short. I know someone that just want to open a YouTube channel. He wants to start up a new YouTube channel to start earning from YouTube, and he wants to be doing short. He does not want to be doing long form. So imagine if you are doing short and you're earning this amount of money. Meanwhile, long form you can earn times 10 or times 20 safe. So do you think this is actually profitable? People that want to be doing shorts, do you think you don't want to reconsider? Hey, let me know in the comment section if you think this amount is too small. Like, what do you guys think about? Do you think it's okay, or do you think it's actually too small? Or I don't understand. Like, I don't even know what to think right now. I'm just lost. But let me just leave it to you guys in the comment section to put in your thoughts, what you guys think about this particular pay. Yeah, because no wonder I'll be thinking that I'm getting views, but I'm not seeing the money. So this is what is happening. This is well. All right, I'm so happy revealing this, like, with you guys, because we actually did it together. I actually did not check. I plan not to check before doing this particular video, so that I can also be surprised. And as you can see, I am surprised. So I don't want this video to be too long. Let me stop it here. So in case you're just finding my channel for the first time, this is N with Ineka. What I do right here, I talk about how you can make money online and how you can grow on your YouTube channel. So guys, if you love what I do, please do well to hit the subscribe button, do well to like this particular video, hit the thumbs up, and do well to leave your comments in the comment section. All right, see you again in my next video.